Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how you can create thumbnails from Google Sheets automatically in bulk. So guys, here we are going to connect Google Sheets as the trigger application and Switchboard Canvas as the action application. And here you just have to add the details of the thumbnails that you want to create, and the thumbnails will be created automatically in bulk using Switchboard Canvas application. And guys, this workflow or the automation is going to run every day at a specific time and create bulk thumbnails for you. Okay, so guys, we are going to set up this automation using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and we are going to set up this without any coding very easily. So let's start. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month. Okay, so guys, here we have pasted this link in the description as well, so you can just sign up right now, and after that you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And guys, here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up this automation. Okay, and you can give any suitable name to your workflows here. So I am giving the name here as bulk thumbnails from Google Sheets. Okay, so after giving the name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page, you will find this trigger and action module. So with the help of these two things, you can set up any automation. So here guys, trigger, you can read here, it is saying when this happens. This means whenever a event occurs in a trigger application, the workflow is going to start running and action will make Pabbly Connect perform any action. So it is saying here, do this. Okay, so here in the trigger, we need to connect the trigger application, and in the action application. So guys, I want that this workflow should run every day on a specific time, let's say in the evening at 6 p.m. Okay, and it will run and create the thumbnails for you. So for that, we are going to schedule the running of this workflow. For that, we are going to use scheduler feature here. You can see we have this scheduler selected, and here you can see it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. So from here you can select every day, once, at regular intervals, or days of the week, or dates of the month. So you can select this workflow to run on each of these options. Okay, so I am selecting everyday option here. So here it is asking for the time. So here you can enter the time in your time zone. My account's time zone is Asia Kolkata. You just have to enter the time according to your time zone only. So I'm just putting here the time as, so you can select the time here. So I'm selecting 18 or 6 p.m. in the evening as the time. So this is a 24 hours clock we have. So you can select the time accordingly. Okay, so this is 6 in the evening. Now click on save. Okay, and you can see this workflow is scheduled to run every day at this time. Okay, so what this workflow is going to do at this time every day, it is going to check the data in this spreadsheet that I have. Okay, here you can see we have this title, the photo that we want to place on the thumbnail, and here we have this thumbnail column. Here we are going to add the thumbnail link when after creating the thumbnail using Switchboard. Okay, so here first of all we need to connect this spreadsheet here in this actions tab. So search for Google Sheets application as the action application. Okay, and the action event would be get rows. So this workflow is going to collect the data from our spreadsheet. So get rows is the option for that. Select it and then click on connect, and from here select add new connection option, then click on connect with Google Sheets, and from here you have to select that Google account by which you have created that spreadsheet. Okay, now you have to provide some additional access to your account. That is completely safe. Just click on continue from here and you can see we are getting connected with Google Sheets. Okay, so authorization is successful and we are now connected. And here it is asking for the spreadsheet's name. So the name of my spreadsheet is video thumbnails. So you have to select it from the list. So here you can see the name, select it. Okay, and here you can see we have only one sheet here, so it got auto selected here. And here it is asking for the range of data that you have inside your spreadsheet. So to find the range, you can just look at your spreadsheet, and you can see just start selecting the data from the title. Okay, so I'm from the second row, I'm selecting the data. So I'm selecting the title and the photo. Then I'm going to start selecting downwards. Okay, so this is the range of data we have. We are going to create thumbnails. Afterwards, we are going to place the link here. Okay, so let me remove this link just for your convenience, just to show you the example. And let me select the data again. So this is the data, and here you can see in this name box we got the range A2:B4. This means the data we have started from column A, row second, and it is ending at column B, row number 4. So this is the range, and you have to put this range here. So I'm putting the range as A2:B4. So this is the range for static data. Okay, so when you add the range like this, the data of these 3 rows will be fetched. But if you are continuously adding the rows, you have to put the dynamic range here. For that, you can just backspace it here like this and put the range like this, A2:B. This means that my data is starting from column A, row number 2, but it is not ending at column and it is we do not know where it is ending. Okay, so we just put here column B. Okay, we didn't specified the endpoint here. Okay, so whenever you are going to add rows, the rows will be captured here. Okay, now guys, by clicking on save and send test request, you can fetch the data from your spreadsheet to here in this workflow. But guys, before this, remember to toggle this simple response button to off. Okay, why we are doing this, I'll tell you. Just toggle this off, then click on save and send test request. So guys, when you toggle this button to off, you will get the response or the result or the data from your spreadsheet in this format. You can see we got this response result label, and here we got the data from my spreadsheet in this array of data format. Okay, with some HTML tags as well. Okay, so we have captured the data in this format, because what we are going to do now, we are going to click here in this plus icon, and we are going to apply a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called iterator. So what iterator will do, iterator will make this workflow run row by row starting from the first row. Okay, so that the thumbnails will be created for the first row, then for the second, then for the third, and so on. So one by one it is going to create thumbnails for you. That's why we are applying iterator here. So to apply the iterator, we have captured this data in this format. Okay, so I'll show you how we can use this data. So search for iterator, here it is, select this, and here you can see it is asking to choose your array. So here I am going to choose this array that we have captured here. So to do that, just click here and it will show you the previous step in the drop down, and from here only just map this response result array. Then click on save and send test request, and it will segregate the data, arrange the data in row by row format. So here you can see started showing the details of first row only, the title, the photo. This is the data we have, the title, the photo of the first row. Okay, you can see here Google Sheets to ship day. Okay, and here you can see the photo link. Okay, in JPG that was here. Okay, so that's how we can capture the data. Now guys, according to this data, we want to create a thumbnail. For that to happen, just click here on this plus icon and connect Switchboard Canvas application. Switchboard Canvas is here, select it. And in the action event, you will find this create images option. Select this, then click on connect. And from here, select add new connection. Okay, and here it is asking for the API key of Switchboard Canvas. So guys, to find this key, let me show you my Switchboard Canvas application. So this is my Switchboard Canvas application, guys, and here we have this templates option. Okay, so when you click on templates, you can see the template section. We have many templates here for creating images, and here you can see on the top right corner we have this view your API key button. So when you click on it, you will find this key. You can just copy it and paste it here. like this, and then click on save and you will be connected with Switchboard Canvas. So guys, to create images in Switchboard Canvas automatically, we have to create some templates inside Canvas application. So guys, for creating thumbnails, I have created this template named as thumbnails. Okay, let me show you. And in this template, you can see we have these three things variable. So in this template, you can see guys, we have these three things, that are text label in which we can enter text, a image field in which we can insert an image, and a background image as well in which we can change the background also. Okay, so with the help of this template, we are going to create thumbnails, and here we have connected. So let me select the template now from the templates field. So thumbnails is the name of my template. I have selected this, and here it is asking for the width and the height. So let me put the standard width and the height of the image that we want to create. So I'm putting here like this. Okay, and here is image 1, image 2, and the text, the three things that are variable here. So I want that this background should remain the same, which is the I think image 1. Let me show you. This is image 2. This is the text. Okay, so I want to change this image 2 field and the text field. So I'm leaving this image 1 field as it is. I do not want to change it. And in the image 2 and the text, I'm going to use the data that I have received from my spreadsheet and collected here in this response, and segregated it with the help of iterator. So here I'm going to map the data. So just click here, and from this previous steps from this iterator, map the title, sorry, not the title, map the photo, and in the text field map the title. Okay, then click on save and send test request, and an image will be created out of the template in front of you. Okay, and here you can see the response, and we got a new image created, and this is the URL of the image, you can see. So you can just open this image as well. So this is the image I have created with the help of Switchboard Canvas, and you can see we have this text placed here, Google Sheets to ship day. This is the same text that I had here, and this is the same image that is added here. You can see image also. This is the image that got added here, and this was we had here in my spreadsheet as well. Okay, so this is the same image that got added here. So this is how it is going to work, guys. That's how you can automatically create images for your thumbnails. Okay, and after creating this, I want to update the link of this created photo here in my spreadsheet again in this thumbnail field. For that, I'm going to connect Google Sheets again here. Just click here on this plus icon, and from this action step, search for Google Sheets, and in the action event, select this option. Let me show you. Update cell value option. Click on update cell value, then click on connect. From here, now guys, we are connected with spreadsheet with my Google Sheet, and the connection that you make here are saved in your account. So if you want to make the connection again with the same application, you can use your saved connections. Okay, so you just have to select this option, select existing connection, and it will show you the list of all the saved connections that you have. From here you can select any connection, and now you just have to click on save, and you'll be connected again with the same application. Okay, so we are connected again here, and here it is asking to select the spreadsheet's name. So this is my spreadsheet's name, video thumbnails. And here it is asking the range in which you want to update the cell value. So my range is the C column. Okay, so let's say I want to update this cell. So this cell is C2. Okay, so first of all, just put C here. Okay, and for the row index, I'm going to use the previous steps, and from the iterator, I'm going to map the row index like this. So when you map the data, what will happen after when this workflow is going to execute in real time, the labels are going to be updated automatically, and the cell value will be updated here automatically according to the mapped label. That's why I have mapped the row index. And here it is asking which is the value that you want to update. So I'm going to map the Switchboard Canvas thumbnail link the created image link here and click on save and send test request, and the cell value will be updated. Let me show you. Okay, this is the response. Let's see. And here we got the cell value updated with the link of the created image from Switchboard Canvas. So we are done setting up this automation, and guys, you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything here in the workflow. After that, this workflow is going to run automatically every day according to the scheduled time and create the images for you according to the data that you have filled here automatically, and you can see the images created at the end of the day from this thumbnail column directly. Okay, so this workflow is going to run in the background and do the work for you. Okay, so if you want to use this workflow, you can use it because I'm going to paste the link in the description, guys, and you can clone this same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.